Okay, Thomas. Definitely going to need some revisions here. Not sure if you watched the videos that came with the assignment or looked at the guidelines, but there's definitely a few things that you've got to fix. Uh, like the resume needs to be balanced on the page. We don't need this huge empty space here. So, make sure that you're using margins and using spacing to help balance this content out a little bit. Also mentioned in the videos and in the guidelines is your name needs to be the biggest thing on the page, and it clearly is not. These headings jump out at me way before your name does. So reformat that. Also, I don't see a city-state located here, so add Raleigh, North Carolina, or whatever your hometown is, or wherever you plan to job hunt. That needs to be up here too. So as far as your education, St. Augustine's, you're missing the word university here. So make sure that you've got everything correct and there aren't any typos. Like here in relevant coursework, we've got a typo, capitalization error. But remember what I said in class about this. Relevant coursework should be things that aren't obvious to someone that has your degree path. So obviously, if you've got a degree in sport management, obviously you're going to have a class in sport management, okay? I'd recommend skipping this particular bullet point unless you have a specific job or internship that you're applying for, because that gives you the opportunity to look at what you've taken and list those things if you don't have the work experience to show that you have the skills that the company is looking for. Also, typo here, it's not a Bachelor of Sport Management. Check and see if it's a Bachelor of Science or a Bachelor of Arts. That is on the school's website, so make sure that you fix that. If you'll notice over here in the template you were supposed to be following, the city and state as well as the dates should be over here all aligned to the right-hand margin, and you don't have that. Parks and Rec of Warren County, 2022, we need at least a month in a year for the date. So you need to reformat this so that it matches that. Same thing for these others. Let's see here. Again, alignment more evenly distributed. And these bullet points are huge. I have no idea where these came from. You definitely want a normal size bullet. I'm not sure why they're so big. So let me take a moment here and look at the actual content of the work experience and the leadership experience. Okay, first off, the bullet points on a resume are never really full sentences. They're always sentence fragments that start with an action verb. You said you were gate monitoring at the pool, you worked in gymnastics. These are not the way that you want to start your bullet points. So please take some time and look at the samples that were provided, the guidelines that were provided, and those 2 TikTok videos that will help you really think about different ways of expressing what your contribution to the company was that you worked for. Okay, we definitely are going to need some revisions here. So first revision, look at the organization of it, get the spacing worked out, get the bullet points worked out. Again, we've got these bullet points that are all the way over here, or all of the others are here. We definitely want to work on the formatting stuff first. July 2022 in italics, but this date is not. And this date's all the way over here. We want consistency and flow here. Then go through and fix these items that have missing information or typos in them. Correct it or get rid of it. Let's see, we've got an extra space here. That's what that's identifying. And then go watch those TikTok videos and see about revising the bullet points so that they better describe your contributions and everything. As far as skills and interests goes, don't say great communication skills. you should be demonstrating those communication skills in this basketball camp that you ran in the community service. You should be demonstrating that here. Everyone likes to list skills like communication and teamwork and time management, but those are meaningless, empty terms. So don't put them here. Keep this area for more technical skills that you might have. And if you don't, or language skills, if you don't, then you can leave this section completely off of it. And we definitely don't want to have a line here at the bottom. So revisit this, take some time, make sure that you're formatting it correctly, and we'll take a look at your revision.